Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very fresh good morning, grade 4 students. I welcome you all in our science class again. And grade 4 student, you know that in our science class nowadays we are reading and studying a very informative topic about electricity and magnetism. And the topic name is also, chapter name is also electricity and magnetism. So grade 4 student, yesterday we have completed our understand section, and we always complete our understand section in two different parts. First day understand verbal, and then second day understand written. Now we have to move on the next activity. So grade 4 students, are you ready for the next task? Okay, very good. So already my book is opened at page number 132. We have today's activity and I'm going to read it in front of you. What new did you learn in this chapter? Write 5 to 10 sentences to explain. Our section, this activity heading is think about this. So what kind of thinking we have to do? What new did you learn in this chapter? Write 5 to 10 sentences to explain. You know, it's our routine that at the end of every chapter we have this section and we have to write 5 to 10 sentences that what kind of new knowledge we gain from the chapter. So like this, in this chapter we have to write 5 to 10 sentences to explain that what new did we learn in this chapter. So I'm here to help you. I will tell you few sentences and then you have to add few more, so our task will be complete. So listen, we have read many things about electricity and magnetism. We have got to know about the types of electricity like static electricity and electricity current, conductors, insulators, magnets, magnetic poles and magnetic fields also. We also learned that all the electric appliances that we use have a circuit, and magnet is an important part of a motor. The most interesting thing that we learned in this chapter is about our Earth itself. Earth is also a huge magnet. In fact, it is the biggest magnet in the world. So now let's see what kind of thinking we have next. How are magnets useful to us? Now we have to explain it. The answer of the question is magnets are very useful to us in our daily life. Televisions, computers and microwaves, ovens all operate with magnets. Magnets are used to keep refrigerator doors closed and are even mounted on trucks that clean roads. You will also find magnets in the medical devices to create magnetic picture in trains and in the system used to slow down roller coasters. So grade 4 student, in this section, in think about this section, we have two different questions and I helped you and I answered you both the questions. Now I'm going to tell you about your home assignment. So grade 4 student, you have to listen and watch this video again, and then you have to write, you have to complete 10 sentences. Okay, few sentences already I have given you. Now you have to add some more sentences to complete this task. This is your home assignment. Okay, so take care. Allah Hafiz.